Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to view notification settings on Discord. If you're using the Discord app on your Android device and want to customize your notification preferences, follow along with these simple steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once the app is open, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the U tab. Next, you'll want to access the settings options. You can do this by tapping on the gear icon located at the top right of the screen. Alternatively, you can tap on the U tab again to access the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on this to view and adjust your notification settings. Within the notification settings, you can customize various options such as push notifications, message notifications, and mention notifications. You can also choose to enable or disable notification sounds and vibration alerts. By personalizing your notification settings, you can ensure that you only receive the notifications that are most important to you and avoid being overwhelmed by constant alerts. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to view and customize your notification settings on Discord. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.